Hi folks, welcome back to Cooking with Drew Williams. Today it's Super Bowl Sunday and it is cold outside, so I'm thinking on making something hearty like some chili, but I want to do something different, and today I'm going to make some white chicken chili. It's got some great ingredients, and if you have never had this or haven't had it in a while, this is going to be something you're going to want to cook. So let's get busy. Here we go. Alright folks, here we go. We're cooking the chicken, so while I'm doing that, I'm just going to take this chance to chop up some of the vegetables. This is the cilantro, and I have rinsed it thoroughly. I'm just going to cut most of the stems off. Discard those. Now, I love cilantro, so I'm going to try and use all of this. Now some of it I'm going to put in the chili, and some of it I'll save for a garnish on the top. And I think we better check on the boiling chicken. I think we've got some of the other stuff already kind of prepped and ready, so we'll be ready to move on to the next stage of this white chicken chili. Folks, I've got all of the vegetables cut up and the chicken is done and it's chilling down. I'm fixing to cut it up in cubes. Let's take just 1 minute and go to our sponsors and show you some of the fine products that are available from DWC Films. We'll be right back.
Just go to dwcfilms.com. We've got truckloads of coffee cups, t-shirts, and hoodies, and hats, and more t-shirts, and all kinds of purple coffee wine. Check it out.
Everything is done now. We've got everything cut up and ready to put it together. So let's get with it. And I'm going to add the onions in there. Got a good sizzle going on that. Now I'm going to put the jalapeno peppers in there. Get all of them out of there. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. We want to cook these until the onions are kind of translucent. After they cook just a little, oh, we've got to put the garlic in there too. And to make the garlic kind of cook good, I want to put just a little bit of the chicken broth in there. Wow, that already smells good. Okay. Keep the garlic from burning and to help to cook the garlic, I'm going to put in about a cup of the chicken broth that I've reserved from cooking the chicken. And I'm going to simmer that for about 10 or 15 minutes and it'll reduce a little bit. The onions will be translucent and then we'll be ready to add the chicken and the beans and the cream of chicken soup and the chilies. Be right back. Alright folks, the onions and garlic and peppers have sauteed for a while. The onions have gotten kind of translucent and we're going to go ahead and start adding the other ingredients. It looks pretty hearty. I don't think it's too thick. If we think it is, I'll add a little bit more of the chicken broth, but I think for it to be a little hearty, looks better. Alright, well, let's add some cumin. Not too much, because like I say, there's already some seasonings in the Bush's beans. And then here's some ground white pepper, and this is gonna allow it to get a little bit of kick in it, but not to turn red like the cayenne and everything else would. That's why we're not putting tomatoes in. That's why we're not putting chili powder. Just to be different, we're gonna try white chicken chili. Alright, that's looking good, folks. And I think I'm going to put the lid on that and simmer for about 30 more minutes. And right before we serve, we will garnish it with some cilantro and a dollop of sour cream. And I think it looks fantastic. Let's give it just a little more time. Alright, folks, everything is ready, and we're going to serve this with some tortilla chips and some cheese and some sour cream. It looks fantastic. I've had this before, and this is one of my favorite meals. Looks good. It's hearty. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna put a little bit of cilantro over the top of it. Also, put on a little bit of Mexican cheese. Any kind of cheese, as long as it's, still Monterey Jack would be good. This is kind of mixed with some Colby, I think. Put just a little bit of cheese in there. I like to put a dollop of sour cream on it. That makes it good. You can serve this, folks, with your favorite beverage. I'm going to try a little bit of Natural Light today. It looks fantastic. Let's see here. Get a little bit of everything. Oh. That is excellent. Chicken is tender and done. The cilantro really makes a nice freshness out of it. I love the sour cream, the way it finishes it off. I think the cheese adds a lot. The whole basis of this is such a great product from Bush's. I'm going to make sure that I show you the label of that, because it's something that you're really going to want to try. This is an excellent recipe. Don't wait till next Super Bowl to try this. Have it today. Fantastic. Folks, thanks for watching today's episode of Cooking with Drew Williams. We're going to do another one soon. Y'all make sure to check the website if you want this recipe or many more. Don't forget to watch DWC Films Next Productions as this outro is going. If you click on either one of those, it'll be here and here, the outro. It'll take you to my last movies. One was Lottery, one was Reverse. So folks, thanks again for watching today, and we'll see you next time on the DWC channel.
Ha 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 ha.